back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So I'm just gonna do a quick eye makeup look tutorial. I'm not gonna show you guys how I do my foundation just because you guys already know my foundation routine. I use the Makeup Revelation concealer, the C15, that's what I use. I'm gonna show you guys a quick tutorial on how I get these eyes. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Makeup Revelation highlight to kind of highlight my brow, and then I'm just going to use the palette. I'm going for like a green crease, and then I'm gonna use like a gold eyeliner from the OPV cosmetic. So yeah, if you guys like my videos, like, comment, subscribe, and press on that notification button so that you guys do not miss any of my videos. Very soon I'll be back to do like a tutorial for you guys. The kids have only 2 weeks more of holiday, and then the kids will be going to school. I will have more free time to do makeup when the kids are in school, because then the house is a little bit quiet. If you're a mother, you know what I feel like. I don't really have my own studio. I film in my bedroom, so when the kids are making noise, it's very hard to work. And yeah, sometimes you can shout at them, or sometimes you really can't do anything because they are just kids. They don't know, they don't know. Sometimes I can tell them keep quiet, but yeah, they're just being kids, and there's nothing I can do sometimes. So yeah. But this past days, it has been really hot in Holland. If you guys live in Holland, you guys know it is hot. It is benauwd. It is echt super benauwd. So like, I don't really wear makeup. This video is something that I have filmed a couple of I've had this video now, like this look I have filmed it like a long time ago, not like super long, but I filmed like I think a week or two ago. And so the past 1-2 weeks I haven't even had the chance to put makeup on, just because it has been really hot. Like, to be honest, when you put makeup on, your face melts, like the makeup melts out of your face, like the sweat, everything is just not funny. I'm not a person that sweats a lot, but like this heat, this last days makes me really sweat. I don't know, because of the heat was just too much. But I'm glad that next tomorrow the weather is going to go down a little bit. It's not going to be like super hot like the way it was. It's going to be a little bit rain, because there has not been rain for the past week or two in Holland. There has not been any rain, so they say that this week is going to be raining. So yeah, me too, I want that rain to come. So I've been having like a lot of new subscribers, guys. I hope you guys like my videos. So if you guys do, press on that notification button so that you guys do not miss out any of my videos. I try to put out videos every day if I have the time. Sometimes I film my video like ahead. When I know what I do, whenever I have free time and I feel like, okay, the kids they're not around, the house is quiet, I film like videos ahead. Like every opportunity I have, if I have free time, I film videos ahead. So sometimes it's possible for me to pull out video every day, but sometimes not. But I try to like stay on my normal days of pulling out videos. But I guess if you're a mom, you understand. I'm a mother, I have kids, and yes, I love doing YouTube. It's something I love doing, because it's something that just I love the whole transformation and everything. But yeah, the kids are my number one priority. My family is my number one priority. So sometimes I just can't. I don't really have the time to film. But whenever I have time, I try to make like a couple of videos and edit them, and then upload it on my channel. Just put it on private when the time comes, I just put it on public. That's what I normally do. That also really helps me sometimes. But right now it's like the kids are on there is holiday. We're in the house. We don't go to, I don't really have money to go to holiday. I'm planning to do other things in the house, so we don't have money to go for holiday. But we have gone to different places. We have done really cool things with the kids, so that is really nice. That is good, and they really like it as well. So I hope you guys like this. It's just a quick eye look. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And very soon I'll come and do, I was trying to do like a story time for you guys, but the kids were just making a lot of noise, and I found out that in the night time, me too, whenever I was saying to myself, let me do a story time in the night when the kids are in bed. But trust me, after the kids are in bed, that's the only time I have to like clean the house, pack everything. And when I'm done, the one thing I want to do is just go to bed and sleep, because I'm exhausted. If you're a mom, you know how I feel. I'm exhausted, so I'm just gonna try to find, maybe it's just 2 weeks more, then school is going to start. Maybe I just have to wait when the kids are in school, and then do a story time. At least then I'm not going to be working every day. I'm not going to be working every day. I'm just going to have only a few days I'm going to work, and then the rest of the days I'm more like home with the kids and trying to do some stuff. So I'm going to try also on that period to film the video, because right now I don't think it's the best time for me to make any talking videos whilst the kids are around, because it's especially my daughter, because she will talk. Even if you tell this girl to keep quiet, she's gonna come to ask you one question that's gonna piss you off. So for me to avoid that, for me to avoid that, I just have to wait when the school season starts, and then I'll do story time. But for now, I hope you guys don't mind my crazy voiceover. You guys are watching the videos. That's why I try to do everything step by step, so you guys see how I'm doing it. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you guys do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And follow me on my Instagram if you guys want to like keep updates. Follow me on my Instagram. All the links will be down below in the description box. You guys can see when I post pictures and stuff. I try to be engaged. Just it's something I really have to get used to as well, because I'm kind of like a not shy, but a little bit. I don't know. I'm not used to like posting too much, but I'm really trying to like post on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. So I hope to see you guys very soon. Please again, vergeet niet te abonneren. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys do, leave a comment below. Green is my favorite color, so if you guys can tell me in the description box what is your favorite color, I would really love it. Green is my favorite color. I love green, black, and gold. So tell me what your favorite color is. Hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out. Bye.